Hey there, here's how to do a software update on your LG Smart TV with WebOS 25. We'll start by pressing and holding the settings button on the remote control to bring up the main menu. Next, use the directional pad and go down to support. We go across to the right to software update, across again, and here we have the software update menu. It tells me my current version. We have an option to auto update. And what it says here is if you turn on automatic updates, your device will automatically update to the latest version without any notice about update information. I leave this turned off personally because I like to let other people see what the update's like before downloading and installing myself. But the choice is yours. Next, we have download and install, and this is the option I'll select now. It says update in progress, and this will take some time. As you can see, we're at 99% now. It did take some time, and the menu did disappear. You can continue using your TV whilst the update is in progress. So I've just brought the menu back up at 99%. It's just ticked over to 100. And it says the software update has been installed. Updates will be applied when you next restart the TV. So that's how you update the software. Let me restart and we'll come back and check the software version. It's currently 33.11.25. Okay, I've just restarted and you can see the current version is now 33.21.62. So the update is complete. I hope the video has been useful. Let me know in the comments which software version you're updating from. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.